Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ojoshide, and in today's video I'm going to be teaching you how to cut this beautiful kimono with a drawstring. Please do well to like, share and subscribe, and without further ado, let's get right into the video. First thing first, this is everything we'll be needing for this project: your tape, your scissors and your ruler. So how you fold this is you fold it times 2 of the length you're working with. For instance, this kimono is going to be 32 inches, so we're folding it times 2 because there's no joining at the shoulder. So we are going to be working with 64 inches. So how you want to fold it is just like how I'm doing in this video. In case my explanation is not clear, just watch the video. I promise you'll get what I'm saying. Yes, so you want to fold it like this, then you, after folding it times 2, you fold it just like this. Yes, I hope the folding is clear now in case you did not get it earlier. Like I said earlier, the length of this kimono is 32 inches. So what you want to do is measure out 32 inches length. Yes. After marking the length of this kimono, what you want to do next is marking out the neckline. So the neckline would be 3 inches width by 1.5 depth. Yes, this is the back neckline. We will later modify it into the front. Like I said, 3 inches for the width and 1.5 for the depth, or you could just watch the video. After marking out, what you want to do is connect with your curve ruler just like how I'm doing in the video. After marking the neckline, the next thing is to mark out the desired sleeve length. The desired sleeve length for this kimono is 20 inches. However, the sleeve is going to be having a band of 2 inches. Yes, so I'll be marking 18 inches. And how you determine this is the measurement from your center back to your desired sleeve length. I'll insert a picture so you understand what I'm saying. Next, you mark out your sleeve opening. The sleeve opening for this kimono is 11 inches. You could also use your bust point measurements. Yes, that works too. Here, I was just trying to square out the measurement to make sure I have like a straight line. Then I ruled. On the sleeve opening line, you mark out your hip circumference divided by 4 plus 6 inches. I'm working with a hip 40, so divide by 4 will give me 10 plus 6 inches, that will be 16. Let me take it again. Hip circumference divided by 4 plus 6 inches. So I decided to add half inches to my sleeve length, yes, as seam allowance to enable me join my band. After that, the measurement you got on your sleeve opening, which is hip circumference divided by 4 plus 6 inches, that gave me 16. Yes, you want to make sure you square that out all the way to the hemline. Then you rule just like how I'm doing in the video. So to avoid any sharp edges, at this point you want to go out by 1 inches to enable us get a curve. Yes, so that it just curves in into the sleeve opening instead of the sharp edges. Yes, you can use your curved ruler to get this, or you can use your hand. After curving it into the sleeve opening, just like how you see me do in the video, you can go ahead to cut. After cutting, you want to open it up just like how I'm doing in the video and bring out one. Yes, one of it, just like how you see me do. Yes, one of it. Then you fold it just like how I'm doing in the video. Please make sure everything aligns properly, just like how you see in the video. You see me arranging it to make sure it just aligns properly. In case you don't get it, you can go over this video again. Kimono style is like one of the easiest style to cut, so just watch it and I promise you understand. This kimono is going to have a band of 2 inches. Yes, so after arranging, what you want to do is mark out 1.5 inches all the way to the sleeve opening. Yes, that line, that bust point line. Yes, you mark out 1.5 inches. Yes, then after that you just connect straight into the neckline, just like how you see me do in the video. Yes, hope this is clear. You mark out 1.5 inches from the hemline all the way to the bust point line. Yes, then from that point you just connect directly into the neckline. After connecting it just like how you see me do in this video, you can go ahead and cut. Our kimono is almost ready. Yes, we're almost done. So next thing, we are going to cut out the band. And to know the measurement to cut out for the band, you are going to measure round all the way from the hemline through the neckline back to the hemline. Yes, so you want to measure just like how you see me measuring in this video. After measuring, I had 75 inches. Yes, so my band is going to be 75 inches long. However, it's going to have a joining on the neckline. So basically, I'm going to divide that 75 by 2. Yes, that is what I'm going to be cutting out. Hope this is clear. The width of this band is going to be 2.5 inches. I want the band to be 2 inches wide when I'm done. So I'm going to be cutting out 2.5. Yes, 0.5 inches as my seam allowance. After cutting the band of the kimono, next I'm going to be cutting the rope I'm going to be using for the drawstring. Yes, and the width of this rope is 1.5 inches. Yes, 1.5 inches. That's the width for the rope I'm going to be using for the drawstring. After cutting the rope, next we are going to be cutting the band that will be attached to the sleeve opening. But first we have to measure. Yes, after measuring I had 22 inches. Yes, so the band is going to be 22 inches in length and 2 inches in width. Hope this is clear. If you watched down to this point, I want to say thank you so much for sticking around. Sorry I wasn't able to show the sewing part of this video, but thank you so much for sticking with me. Please do well to like, share and subscribe. Thank you all and God bless you.